See, it's very easy, eh? Yeah. Now I finish one. I will be jumping into different direction now. I cover it. I drill every pipe one hole, one hole. I will drill it with a driller, 4 pieces of hole, so that I can be penetrate with axle and cut it. Now you see I'm about to drill now. After drilling, so that my axle blade can go through the hole, and then I will begin cutting the door according to the way I want it. Maybe you also need big hole, you can cut it the way you want it. See it, eh? Yeah. Try to follow and then watch the next part. So you understand what we are doing here. God bless anyone who support. Long life YouTube.